Welcome to Easy Microbiology.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will be providing an overview of the bacteria Bacillus licheniformis. We will be discussing its habitat, morphology, biochemical characteristics, host range, mechanisms of antibiotic resistance, epidemiology, pathogenesis, immunological responses, diagnosis, and prevention. Let's get started. Bacillus licheniformis is a gram-positive, spore-forming bacterium found in soil and other environmental sources with a variety of uses. It is renowned for producing a wide range of enzymes and metabolites, making it a valuable asset for industrial applications. In addition, its production of metabolites has led to its implementation in the medical field as a treatment and preventative measure. Recently, its possible applications have been extended to include the potential to generate green chloroplasts in plant cells. Bacillus licheniformis is a bacterium found in a variety of locations, from soil to air samples, water, and digestive tracts of animals and humans. Its prevalence is extensive, often found in an abundance of environments, and it is commonly linked to the leafy mossy growth of lichen in wooded nature scenes. Bacillus licheniformis is a rod-shaped bacterium with measurements of 0.5 to 0.8 micrometers in width and 2 to 4 micrometers in length. Endospores, a highly resistant structure, are formed, allowing it to endure in difficult environmental conditions. A close-up of purple cells further allows us to observe this phenomenon more clearly.
It is interesting to note that this bacterium is aerobic and prefers the presence of oxygen for growth. It is also versatile in terms of the media it can grow on, including nutrient agar and tryptic soy agar. The colonies of this bacterium are typically opaque, white or cream-colored, and have a smooth or slightly wrinkled surface.
Bacillus licheniformis is a gram-positive, rod-shaped bacterium that is catalase-positive and oxidase-negative. It has the remarkable ability to hydrolyze starch, produce catalase, and ferment certain sugars such as glucose and maltose. Moreover, it is able to produce a wide spectrum of enzymes, including proteases, amylases, and lipases, thus demonstrating its uniqueness amongst other bacteria and its adaptability to survive in varied environmental conditions. Bacillus licheniformis is a gram-positive bacterium that has been widely employed in the industrial sector owing to its safety. It is mostly connected with environmental uses, particularly with the decomposition of organic components. Moreover, Bacillus licheniformis has been employed for several biotechnological reasons, for instance for the manufacture of enzymes and antimicrobial peptides.
Bacillus licheniformis is a bacterium that is not typically associated with human or animal disease. This means that it does not cause significant harm to humans or animals and is not considered a pathogen. Additionally, this bacterium does not produce significant virulence factors, which are molecules that enable pathogens to cause disease. Therefore, Bacillus licheniformis is generally considered safe and is often used in industrial applications, such as the production of enzymes, antibiotics, and other bioproducts.
Bacillus licheniformis is an important and fascinating organism with a unique set of characteristics. Possessing the ability to evolve a range of mechanisms to develop antibiotic resistance, such as mutations in target genes, decreased uptake of antibiotics, and increased efflux of antibiotics, this species exhibits high variance in resistances, making it a prime subject to study in the process of understanding antibiotic resistance. Bacillus licheniformis is a rod-shaped bacterium found in many different environments, but rarely as a pathogen. Its industrial applications are wide-ranging, such as modifying food texture and enzyme production in food production, and bioremediation to clean up contaminated sites. It is generally regarded as safe for use and is not associated with common human or animal diseases. B. Licheniformis is a bacteria mostly found in soil and marine sediment, as well as certain corals in the ocean. Research suggests it may cause a small amount of pathology in rare cases, but is not known to cause any significant diseases or illnesses in humans or animals. Furthermore, it has been found inhabiting orange corals, indicating its wide range of habitats. Bacillus licheniformis is a species of gram-positive bacteria with immense potential for medical applications. Resistant to extreme temperature and pressure, it is ideal for use in industrial processes and medical bioprocessing. There are no known links to human or animal diseases, and studies suggest it does not elicit a noticeable immune response in healthy individuals, indicating it can safely be used to treat a variety of conditions with minimal risk. A laboratory analysis of a patient's blood or tissue samples is necessary to identify and isolate the rare bacteria Bacillus licheniformis, which may cause infection in immunocompromised individuals. Regarding Bacillus licheniformis, there is no evidence of it being linked to any serious illness in humans or animals, so precautionary measures are generally not needed. Bacillus licheniformis is a naturally occurring bacterium commonly found in soil and water habitats. Despite not being linked with any human or animal diseases, it is important to be aware of, as it has potential to cause infection when inhaled, ingested, or coming into direct contact with broken skin. Treatment for infections caused by Bacillus licheniformis is dependent upon the severity of the infection and other factors, and typically comprises of stethoscope medicine, treatment, hospitalization. Bacillus licheniformis is a gram-positive, spore-forming bacterium that is commonly found in soil and other natural environments. Its ability to produce a variety of enzymes and metabolites makes it useful for industrial applications, and it is typically not associated with human or animal disease. Therefore, it is generally considered to be a safe organism for industrial applications. Thank you for your attention.